Finding that your ROG Li is not charging can quickly become frustrating, especially when the battery percentage refuses to move or the device stays low on power no matter how long it remains plugged in. Many users notice charging stopping unexpectedly, the battery icon not responding, or the ROG Ally feeling completely unresponsive while connected to power. Sometimes it charges briefly and suddenly stops again. In many situations, an ROG Ally not charging issue can happen because of charging cable interruptions, adapter problems, charging port issues, or temporary power communication glitches. Before reconnecting everything repeatedly or assuming the battery stopped working completely, these are the steps you can try to fix this and get the ROG Li charging properly again. 1. Check the charging cable and power adapter carefully and confirm the ROG Li connection feels secure on both ends. 2. Try another power outlet because temporary power interruptions may stop the ROG Li from charging normally. 3. Inspect the charging port gently and make sure nothing blocks the USB-C connection on the ROG Ally. 4. Leave the ROG Ally plugged in for several minutes because a deeply drained battery may respond slowly. 5. Restart the ROG Ally and confirm whether charging begins normally afterward.